tastes are not just physical, they affect the mind and emotions. For example, sweet taste gives a lot of satisfaction, pungent increases alertness, and bitter can bring detachment. Sweet taste brings feelings of contentment, pleasure, love, compassion, and groundedness. It's also associated with motherly nourishment and security, and it supports stable emotions, patience, generosity, and sweetness of character. But keep in mind that overindulgence in the sweet taste could lead to attachment, possessiveness, and greed. It could create lethargy, lack of motivation, or over-dependence, both physically and emotionally. On the subtle level, excess sweet taste can trap the mind in tamas, that is inertia, dulling clarity and spiritual aspiration. Most people hear sweet taste and they immediately think of sugar. Whereas in Ayurveda, the sweet taste, that is the Madhur Rasa, is much broader and includes the subtle sweetness naturally present in many grains, dairy products, fruits, and also certain spices. So let's connect sweet taste with spices you would find in your kitchen pharmacy and how they express their sweet rasa qualities. Let's take a few examples. First one, and quite commonly used one, is the fennel seeds. It's predominantly sweet with a cooling post-digestive effect, and therefore it pacifies pitta and vata both, but can slightly increase kapha if overused. It soothes acidity, calms the digestive tract, and reduces bloating. At the emotional level, it brings calmness, sweetens the breath, and metaphorically, it sweetens communication. If you enjoyed this glimpse into the kitchen pharmacy, imagine what it would feel like to truly understand how every spice in your kitchen can support your digestion, boost immunity, calm your mind, and bring balance to your body naturally. This course is your step-by-step guide to taking charge of your health using the wisdom of Ayurveda and the power of everyday spices. Join me inside the full course to discover how to use spices the right way, from prevention to healing and to overall well-being. Let's turn your kitchen into your very own pharmacy and empower you to take your health in your own hands. Click the link below to enroll now and begin your journey towards natural healing and vibrant living. Namaste.